Welcome. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to change your password on Discord right from your Android device. Keeping your account secure is essential, so let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the U icon. Tap on it to proceed. Next, we need to access your settings. To do this, tap the gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the settings menu for your account. Now, find and tap on the account option. This is where you can manage all your account settings, including your password. In the account section, you'll see the password option. Go ahead and tap on that to continue. You'll be prompted to enter your current password for verification. Type it in and make sure it's correct. Once you've entered your current password, hit Next to proceed. Now it's time to create a new password. Enter your new password, ensuring it's strong and secure. Make sure to follow any guidelines that appear regarding password requirements. After you've entered your new password, tap Change Password. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your Discord password. And that's it. You've now enhanced your account security with a new password. Make sure to remember it or store it safely. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.